Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on iPhone. First, you'll want to download the Gemini application directly from the App Store. Once installed, simply open the app and sign in using your Google account to unlock its full potential. It's important to ensure your iPhone is running iOS 15 or a newer version for the best experience. This quick setup gets you ready to explore everything Gemini has to offer. Gemini offers several ways to interact. You can type your questions, speak them using the microphone icon, or even upload a photo for analysis. For a truly dynamic experience, try Gemini Live, which allows for natural, back-and-forth voice conversations. Plus, unleash your creativity by generating unique images from just a few descriptive words, making your ideas visual in moments. To personalize your Gemini experience, you can connect it with your favorite Google applications, such as Maps, Gmail, and YouTube, through extensions. This allows Gemini to pull relevant information seamlessly. You can also manage these extensions by toggling them on or off in the settings. For even faster access, add Gemini widgets to your iPhone's lock screen, providing instant shortcuts to key functions. To get the most out of Gemini, always aim for specific and detailed prompts. This helps Gemini understand your needs better. Don't hesitate to experiment with various types of questions, from brainstorming ideas to summarizing complex topics. Your feedback is also incredibly valuable, helping to refine Gemini's responses and enhance its overall helpfulness for everyone. Enjoy exploring its vast capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.